Hi, I'm Jen Henning from FlippedNormals.com, and welcome back to our second challenge video. Today, we're not sure what we're going to do, but we'll find out in a sec. Before we get into the video though, I just want to highlight that we're extending our Black Friday sale into Cyber Week until Thursday. This is the biggest sale of the year, 50% off FlippedNormals exclusives, and 30,000 products or so are still on sale on FlippedNormals.com. So if you've been eyeing anything on the marketplace, now is definitely the time to go pick that up. And now into the challenge. So last time we sculpted what Henning and I thought were camels. We didn't actually sculpt camels. We tried our best, no reference, an hour, and I sculpted something that you could imagine was a camel but wasn't. And Henning ended up sculpting Edward from my Full Metal Alchemist, which was, I think the crowd favorite, but as far as camels go, I was the winner. So I will be putting on this beautiful little tiara, and I will be sculpting with this because officially I am the winner of the first challenge. So now Henning's got to get into the swing of things and see if he can steal the tiara from me in this round.
Oh, I'm going to redeem myself, don't worry.
Okay, so let's reveal what this challenge actually is about. Sculpting a self-portrait with a mouse.
I'm gonna take away my tablet.
Yeah, that's the okay. I don't know why
this
I
whole
have
thing
a
away.
screen tablet in front of me here. That's a waste.
Okay.
So she did mention that we needed a mirror. I can see why.
Mirror.
Let's just quickly go over the rules. You must sculpt the self-portrait using only the mouse. No tablet allowed. You're allowed to use a mirror as reference. You have 60 minutes to complete the challenge. You are not allowed to see each other's screens. And the ruling is when the 60 minutes are up, we can reveal the results to each other. And we will be judged based on how much it looks like a self-portrait. The winner is decided by the audience. And I guess with that, let's just jump straight into it then.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Okay, timer has started. Okay, sculpting a mouse. This is going to give me massive RSI in about 35 minutes. So let's see how this goes.
So one thing we have to consider is that we don't have brush pressure here at all. And so I think my strategy for this is going to be using the clay brush, as that's a little more. Oh my god, all the clicking here. This is going to make me go insane.
This is going to be a lot of clicking in this video. Yeah, my strategy is going to be to try to mitigate my health because I have injuries in my arm from doing a lot too much sculpting. So let's see how this goes. I think I'm going to do exactly the opposite of what I keep telling everyone. I think I'm going to be using as much smooth as I can.
I don't even know how to start with this. Yeah, smoothing is definitely part of the strategy here.
Oh no.
Okay. It's a good start.
This is terrible. Okay, so I legit haven't sculpted with a mouse before. Like, I think I might have tried it when I started with ZBrush in 2006, like June 2006 or something. And I think I might have tried it for a tiny amount back then. But that's like 17, 16 years ago now. Okay, so what is your strategy for when actually sculpting this now? Well, sculpting in like as a very liberal term.
Very. So my approach right now is just trying to find the form of the face with the move brush as much as possible, and then very low intensity clay brush. That's my strategy.
I think that's a very good idea. And this bald head of mine is definitely an advantage here, because this is all.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing hair either.
That's a little weak, Morten. I think that's a little bit weak, but that's
just a little bit. I'm on a Dynamesh sphere, like the 32 resolution. I was just trying to keep it real simple.
Yeah, that sounds like the smart thing to do. I'm at 80,000 polys at the moment.
I feel like that's the same as last time.
Yeah. It's because of my high poly count. I had to resort to smooth stronger now, and let me tell you, that's problematic.
I mean, I'm getting somewhere. There's definitely a potential here for a face.
Well, you did win last challenge, so
Oh, that's true. So I'm high on winning. That's
yeah.
Because it really felt like a victory, you know.
Likeness is so difficult where one move brush in the wrong direction and likeness is completely off. Not that likeness is going to be here anyway.
It doesn't take. I mean, it really doesn't take. You see this all the time, right? When people do celebs and they're trying to do a likeness study of them or something, it's just like something, just a little tiny thing can be off, and the sculpt is great, but it just doesn't feel like the person.
Yeah, it's so difficult. Yeah, just really trying to make some main proportions work. I work on a neck at the moment. My God, it's difficult.
You feel like it's working for you?
That would be a no.
Okay, good. Guess I feel the same. It's yeah.
It's very hard to see the back of your head, your own head.
Oh yeah, I'm just going with sure. That's the back of the head. That's my strategy for this.
You have the privilege of a jawline as well, so that's pretty cool.
But maybe that's not an advantage in this.
Oh crap! Yeah, I'm just wood stronging this.
just more of a uniform shape.
Yeah. Can we have like a challenge which is just like the two of us eating steak or something, and that's it? The one who wins is the one who enjoyed his steak the most.
Yeah, that sounds great. Let's see if the next challenge is gonna be that.
I go between like talking to you and like more smiling, and then I'm going between like looking really stern because I need to have more of a neutral facial expression.
Yeah, this is the same thing for me. I'm constantly between them. It's like, okay, now I need to relax because I need my nose to be still and
your nose to be still.
Well, you know, when you're smiling, the nostrils flare out a little bit, and
this funny.
Mine is just like wagging its nose, like tail, like.
I was expecting you to say your mouth to be still, but your nose is wagging as much as your.
Yeah.
So
if anyone is watching the video of my face right now, I was looking out the window because my neighbor just walked by, walking their child, looking dumbfounded at me with a tiara on my head. Because of the way the camera's set up, I need the camera there to have natural light. So I kind of have to have the windows open.
You're like, I can explain. It's for YouTube, and it's like that doesn't explain anything. Like we were talking about earlier, right? The whole like, do you have the receipt for the tiara? Yeah, it's for so like we can deduct it as a business expense. And the accountant is like, what? For what purpose?
I'm sure there's gonna be no questions from the accountant on this one.
No, he's cool. He understands YouTube streaming, right? These kind of videos kind of hurts my point when I tell my girlfriend that I'm not an influencer. Because she keeps making fun of me, calling me that. I'm like, no, I make tutorials. I'm a business owner. It's free artist. So she's like, no, you're an influencer.
Influencer. It's the nostrils that's gonna make or break this.
No, that's what we all know. That's why the face sculpting courses I do are 2 hours of nostril and then 1 hour on the rest of the face.
I'll just have like this immaculately detailed nose, like 1-to-1, but the rest is just garbage.
Yeah. I'm still curious about that whole thing you did for the camel, the hatch on his back.
It's where the milk comes from. You know, you just open it up and scoop out the milk.
It's like a well.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh man, the whole laughing thing and then trying to relax your face at the same time.
Yeah, it's terrible. Just rotating ZBrush, rotating my head.
Yeah, but it's so tricky when you're looking at yourself and that's like your reference and you're like constantly going back and forth.
How do we even get a side view from this? Yeah. This is difficult. Because I can't actually get a side view from this.
That's the same thing for me. I'm kind of just hoping things fall into place if I do that.
Yeah. I'm sure that's how it's gonna work. Hey, I think you should wear glasses as well, just for this to be even for us.
Well, I have hair, so
there's that, yeah.
You know, don't get me started on this. Even though I will skip the hair. I will skip the hair.
Okay, I think I might actually try to melt some glasses here, just to get some additional lightness. But then if I mess that up, then it's gonna not look like... Then it's not gonna look like me after all, so... Let's see here. There's a ring. There's a ring polymesh. Okay, I can use that. Okay, we have 20 minutes and 36 seconds left.
Oh my god. So do you have eyes yet? Because I don't.
Oh yeah, my character definitely has eyes. All the facial features are there. I even have like some rudimentary glasses now as well. Yeah, I haven't added an eyeball yet to it, so let's see how this goes. I'm a little afraid of adding an eyeball to it. Because it's kinda not really working, but there's something there.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm excited to see it. Oh boy, now the eyeball is just poking out through this is horrifying. You know, I'm feeling a little defeated now. I think in the beginning it was going really well, and then the whole eye situation is just keeps escalating.
Undo.
Yeah. Just go through life. Undo. But you're sounding quite confident. You know?
No. No, it's just like it. Oh no, I made a mistake. I added eyes. I'm gonna undo all that. Yeah, it's actually a lot better without eyes. Yeah, it's actually a lot better without adding eyeballs. I just started sculpting it in there. Yeah,
that's how I feel as well. But
yeah.
I feel like it's too late to turn back now.
Yeah, it wasn't for me. Yeah, because it's then you are really adding a whole new thing to it. Yeah.
Maybe someone out there is gonna judge it and be like, "Oh my god, amazing sculpts, you guys."
Amazing sculpts. Henning deserves a tiara. Wow, what?
What was that?
Yeah, I think somebody said Henning deserves a tiara here, but I'm very curious what your conversation with your neighbor is going to be like later on. I can explain.
Look, it's not what it looks like. I mean,
it's exactly
what does it look like? What does it look like?
It looks like you're having a sculpting challenge with a friend of yours on YouTube.
Oh.
Oh, okay, that was no. Actually, I'm just
Don't
like
mind me then.
I'm just cam girling here, and you read this wrong. You read this completely wrong.
The window open and everything. Come on, hands, just fix it. Just make it good. Can't be that hard.
Yeah, how hard can it be to sculpt a self-portrait with a mirror in an hour with a mouse? Honestly.
I bet we're gonna get like some comments on him, like, I do this every day.
Yeah, this is actually my warm-up.
I feel like I could be like an elven prince, you know. Not a pretty one, but
like the ugly elven prince.
Like the ugly one. Yeah.
I still get shit from my camel from my girlfriend.
Well, I mean, no, it was pretty. It you know, it evokes some emotions in me.
Yeah. Repressed Full Metal Alchemist. I mean, it was more like, yeah, I can tell you don't have to sculpt any. You just have no idea what a camel looks like. And she just kept on quizzing me. Have you ever seen a camel in real life before? It's like, I mean, not like a lot.
No. I mean, you did in Turkey. You did mention that one.
Turkey a year and a half ago. That's
yeah.
Should have just made some mental notes there.
Maybe you've been looking more at yourself, and that'll
yeah,
help
I probably have looking a bit more at my own face than the camels of Cappadocia.
Almost down to
all right, 10 seconds. Okay, I'm just gonna. Yeah, I'm done with this. There's nothing more I can do at this point. 3, 2. All right, stop.
Okay.
All right, I was gonna say pen down, but mouse down. All right, we're done.
Oh wow.
Okay. So, should we do a screen share?
Yeah, I think just find you again.
All right. Yeah, that kind of looks like you. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can see that. Like the jawline, the cheekbones, and the eyes. Yeah, there's definitely some Morton in that. It would have helped
like from
with
a distance.
Yeah, I think the eyes are a little too large. And
I agree.
I was curious what this would look like with like 1 second of pinch brushing.
Probably a lot worse.
I think it's pretty good, to be honest. I think it's I mean, it is what it is, right? It's an hour with a mouse and such.
With a mouse.
Yeah. I'm gonna share my screen. All right, so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you
see that?
You can see a little bit of the side view. I'm just gonna do a little thing here, front. And then you can have a little bit of the side view. like this. Yeah,
the eyelids are tricky, man. Right? It's like that. It's like that tiny space in there.
Yeah. I don't think it's like fundamentally broken, but it's also like 25% there as well. At the same time, right? It would be like if this was a first pass, you'd be like, yeah, maybe this kind of looks like somebody, but but yeah, you just need to spend a bit more time with this, buddy.
yeah, I think that's where we're at with this. Man, that was a challenge. But I think all that's left now is, first of all, don't forget, we're having a sale. Cyber Week is in full effect until Thursday at midnight UTC. All of our exclusives are going to be 50% off, and 30,000 products on the marketplace are on sale. Now, for the more important thing, which is this video. It's up to you guys who are watching to leave your vote down below. Who looks more like ourselves? Who sculpted our DigiDouble better? Is it Henning with his amazing attention to detail with glasses, or me with my, I don't know, elvish looking eyes?
With your impressive
for you to
cheekbones.
And with that, I think that about concludes it. I will now take off my crown, or maybe I'll wear it until the next one.
I would wear it like in real life as well.
To have that conversation with my neighbors soon. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, I think that's everything for this time. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure to comment down below. And also, if you have any suggestions for other things we can sculpt in the future, please do let us know.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys soon.